Devon Island plays a pivotal role as a testing ground for NASA's Mars missions, showcasing how extreme environments can prepare us for future space exploration. Its harsh conditions closely resemble those found on Mars. In contrast, North Sentinel Island is home to one of the last uncontacted tribes, who fiercely guard their traditional way of life against modern civilization's advances. The Indian government actively protects their isolation to honor their cultural practices. Meanwhile, the Danakil Depression in Ethiopia stands out as one of the hottest places on Earth, featuring breathtaking geological formations like sulfur springs and lava lakes. This extreme environment sustains unique life forms adapted to its conditions. Similarly, the Patar Islands are inhabited by descendants of the Bounty mutineers, presenting a remarkable human narrative intertwined with survival in isolation. This small community carries a legacy steeped in rebellion and maritime adventure. On the other hand, Snake Island in Brazil, infamous for its lethal golden lancehead vipers, exemplifies the ecological isolation of species. The presence of these venomous snakes contributes to a dangerous yet captivating ecosystem. Transitioning to Serra Serenama Mountain in Venezuela, its unique ecosystems found within sinkholes illustrate the rich biodiversity present in isolated environments. These concealed landscapes unveil secrets of ancient worlds and hold spiritual significance. Despite the pressures of modern encroachment, the tribes continue to uphold their traditional lifestyles, showcasing their resilience and adaptability. This underscores the critical importance of preserving cultural heritage in today's world. The tribes residing in the Javari Valley excel as hunters and gatherers, employing traditional weapons like bows and arrows to hunt the abundant game within the forest. Their expertise reflects a sustainable relationship with their environment. However, increasing threats from illegal loggers, miners, and poachers endanger the tribe's ancestral lands, resulting in violent confrontations. Their fierce resistance highlights an unwavering determination to safeguard their homeland. Next, Adak, Alaska is marked by reclaimed streets and buildings, where a small population contends with unpredictable weather patterns. The unrelenting elements shape the daily lives of its few residents. Similarly, Villa Las Etras in Antarctica epitomizes human endurance in extreme conditions, where residents face months of darkness and isolation. This settlement is purpose-built to withstand the harsh Antarctic climate. Furthermore, Cape York in Australia represents a remote wilderness area rich in indigenous history and natural splendor. The spiritual significance of this land is deeply woven into the cultural fabric of its indigenous peoples. In a different context, Mogg County's remoteness led it to be the last area in China to gain road access, with the final segment completed in 2013. This challenging terrain has preserved its pristine natural environment. The county is home to over 2,000 plant species, many of which are endemic, alongside rare birds that thrive here. These elements add to Mogg County's rich ecological diversity and breathtaking beauty. Moreover, Mogg is esteemed by Tibetan Buddhists as a sacred valley, believed to have been blessed by the Buddha. This spiritual relevance further enhances the cultural value of the region. Nevertheless, the town faces significant challenges regarding air quality and sanitation, complicating residents' health and well-being. The prevalence of diseases like tuberculosis underscores these harsh living conditions. Amid these dangers, thousands flock to Lincolnata, drawn by the promise of gold. Many arrive with hopes of transforming their lives, yet few achieve substantial success. Furthermore, miners endure perilous conditions daily, risking their lives for a chance at wealth. The threats they face, including cave-ins and exposure to toxic substances, severely compromise their safety.